This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital products using Gumroad. To start, navigate to the Gumroad website and click Sign Up. You can register using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Once registered, set up your profile, including your store name, which helps customers recognize your brand. Finally, ensure your payment information, like a bank account, is correctly linked so you can receive earnings effortlessly. This initial setup is quick and straightforward. Now, let's add your first digital product. From your Gumroad dashboard, simply click the New Product button. You will then choose the product type that best fits what you are selling, such as a digital download or a course. Upload your actual product file, making sure it is ready for customer download, like a PDF or a zip archive. Adding a compelling description and high-quality cover image will significantly attract buyers. Setting the right price is crucial for your product's success. Decide on a value that reflects your effort and market demand, perhaps around $25 for a niche guide. Write a detailed, benefit-oriented description explaining what your customers will gain. You can also offer multiple versions, like a premium edition, or implement license keys for software. Think about optional extras, such as pay what you want, to give buyers flexibility and increase sales potential. With your product ready, it is time to promote it widely. Share your unique Gumroad link on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or in relevant online forums. Consider running a launch special, perhaps 50% off for the first 24 hours, to create urgency. Gumroad also offers analytics to track sales and customer engagement, which helps you understand what is working. Engaging with your audience and consistently creating value will build a loyal customer base over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.